एस्पिरेंट्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है एनालिस्ट आईएएस के यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो रिसेंटली नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने एक मल्टीपल इंडिकेटर सर्वे रिलीज किया है, इसका रिपोर्ट रिलीज किया है। इसमें अलग अलग पैरामीटर्स हैं, सो वी विल सी बाय एन न्यूज व्हाट इज दिस मल्टीपल इंडिकेटर सर्वे, देन व्हाट इज एनएसएसओ, इसके बारे में कुछ चीजें देखेंगे। देन इस रिपोर्ट की फाइंडिंग्स क्या हैं और what are the other findings, and after that we will be discussing our today's prelims practice question। इस टॉपिक पर prelims में क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं इसके डेटा के रिगार्डिंग। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाई इन न्यूज द नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे ऑफिस carried out the multiple indicator survey covering the entire country in its 78th round। So what is this multiple indicator survey? It is a type of survey designed to collect data on a range of key indicators related to the well-being of human beings or well-being of individuals, households, communities। The survey typically covers topics such as health cover करता है, education, water sanitation कैसा है उस एरिया में, nutrition क्या है, child protection के बारे में कैसा है। What are the objectives of this? So first objective is to collect information for developing estimates of some important sustainable development goal indicators, and to collect information purchase construction of the house flat by household for residential purpose after the 31/3/2014, and information on migration भी ये देखता है। Then what is NSSO? So the National Sample Survey Office is now merged with Central Statistical Office to form National Statistical Office NSO। The merger was approved by government on 23rd May of 2019, so it is a recent merge। The NSSO or the National Sample Survey Office was formerly known as the National Sample Survey Organization। It was the largest organization in India which was responsible for conducting periodic socio-economic surveys। This is what it has been doing। In this article and in this video we will be discuss this organization। Okay, what are the key findings of the report? So first of all is the drinking water accessibility कितनी है इंडिया में। More than 95.7% of the people reported having access to an improved source of drinking water despite the poor penetration of the piped drinking water in several states। Then Kerala, Manipur, Nagaland, Jharkhand have less than 90% access to improved source of drinking water। Major states like Assam, Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha are among the worst in access to tapped drinking water for both rural and urban households। So tapped drinking water यहाँ पे काफी worst state में है। Then देखेंगे what is the access to the sanitation। The lowest proportion of rural households with access to an exclusive toilet are found in बिहार, झारखंड और उड़ीसा जैसे इलाकों में सबसे lowest proportion है। और आप देखेंगे कि more than 30% of the households in the same three states lacked access to a toilet। So more than 30% houses के पास है ही नहीं यहाँ पे exclusive toilets जिसमें women या कोई भी जा सके। The percentage of households with access to an exclusive toilet is higher than 60% for other states। Rest other states में 60% से ज़्यादा मिल जाएंगे। Then primary source of energy for cooking। What is the primary source? Primary source for energy is generally used कि उस household में generally क्या use होता है। In states like Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, Nagaland and Madhya Pradesh, for more than 70% of the households, firewood is the primary source of energy for cooking। Then these states along with Jharkhand have less than 25% of households using LPG cooking, the lowest among all the states। So less than 25% households ही केवल LPG cooking use करते हैं। Education, employment, digital literacy and financial inclusion क्या है अलग अलग रीजन्स का। सो ड्यूरिंग द सर्वे 16.1% ऑफ द मेल्स एंड 43.8% ऑफ द फीमेल्स बिटवीन 15 to 24 ईयर्स दे वर नॉट स्टडिंग। ना ही वो कोई काम कर रहे थे और ना ही वो किसी फील्ड में ट्रेनिंग ले रहे थे। लेस देन 5% ऑफ द पीपल हु वर एज्ड 18 और अबव हैड एक्सक्लूसिव एक्सेस टू मोबाइल फोन्स। लेस देन 5%। द रिपोर्ट कंफर्म्स इंडियाज प्रोग्रेस इन फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन with nearly 90% of surveyed report having an account either individually or jointly with banks, other financial institutes or mobile service providers। Here are some other indicators। For example, percentage of persons reported to have improved source of water, drinking water। सो अर्बन एरियाज में 97% है, रूरल में 95% है, एवरेज 95.7% है. देन परसेंटेज ऑफ पर्सन्स रिपोर्टेड एक्सेस टू इंप्रूव्ड लैट्रिन और टॉयलेट, इसमें अर्बन एंड रूरल दोनों है. देन दिस इज परसेंटेज ऑफ पीपल रिपोर्टेड एक्सेस टू हैंड वॉशिंग फैसिलिटी. ये अलग अलग डेटा है एंड दिस इज यूजिंग क्लीन फ्यूल एज प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. रूरल में ये काफी कम परसेंटेज है, अर्बन में ज्यादा है बिकॉज अर्बन में एलपीजी कनेक्शन, गैस कनेक्शंस काफी मिलते हैं. So these are different indicators. You can pause the video, you can read about this if you want. These are other indicators. These are total 11 other indicators जो major थे वो हमने पहले डिस्कस कर लिए, sanitation, electricity and all. And here आप इन सबको देख सकते हैं पॉज करके. Now we will discuss our today's prelims practice question that with reference to the multiple indicator survey, consider the following statements. The survey aims to collect information on migration. As per the survey, more than 95% of the people have access to improved source of drinking water. As per the survey, almost half of the rural households have shifted to cleaner form of energies as primary source of cooking. So these kinds of questions can be formed from this. Which of the statements given is are correct? Pause the video, try to answer, and if you want to know the answer, you can type it in the comment section. There we will let you know if it's correct or not. Question number second, which of the following are indicators used in multiple indicator survey? Well-being of humans, access to sanitation, education. Select from above, only 1, 2, 3. I hope you all can answer this. This was all about today's video. Thank you, have a nice day and stay tuned with Analyst IAS for your better preparation.